Hi everyone, Jens Johanson, J2 Building Consultants. Thanks so much for attending our virtual CA days. Today, make sure you stop by our virtual booth and enter to win our Airbnb cabin giveaway, where you can put on your puffy jacket, put on your knit hat, and get up into the mountains. You can also take all this stuff off and go someplace warm, but be sure to stop by and check out our people in flannel today. Our entire team misses you, and we wish we could be here with you today. We are building doctors, architects and engineers that help stressed building owners with their sick or unhealthy buildings. Our clients come to us because they're stressed about navigating their project budgets, their building repairs, and even communicating to their associations. So, if you're contemplating siding repairs, window replacements, or any kind of hidden damage claims, come see us. We'd be happy to help.